Okay, so we've been sent this heated vest from ORORO, so they do heated apparel. So this is like a heated gilet vest type thing. So it's a black one in extra large, comes with a vest and then some multiple accessories here. So obviously the battery and some charge cables. So let's have a look at the vest. What's going on? So I've got the battery itself. There's a wire inside this inside pocket, the zip pocket inside. I'm just going to simply plug the battery into there. I'm going to pop it back in the zip pocket, zip that up, down out. 1, 2, 3. Hopefully you can see that's illuminating red now. Okay, stood up here now, hopefully you can see that there. So as you can see on the jacket there now, it's gone to a kind of white colour. So that means it's preheated up and it's dropped down to a medium temperature. So if I press this button now, so I press it once, it goes to blue, which is a low heat, that's down to the lowest heat. Press it one more time. Goes to the red colour, which is the high heat, back to the high heat. And to be honest with you, it's absolutely red hot. So I can feel it, obviously, in these two kind of, it's more higher chest actually, I thought it was going to be lower chest. You can feel the wires inside the jacket, but you can, the heat is on the higher chest there, and in the middle of the back. So it's, as I mentioned before, it's XL, I'm 6'4", medium build. Okay, all done and dusted there now with the jacket. We'll obviously use this over the, well I will, because it'll only fit me, over the winter. As we get into the winter colder months, we'll start using this, so it'd be great to start using it. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.